Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit your personal details in the Domino's application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you should look in the top of your left corner and there you will find three lines. Press on it and here you can just press on profile. And here you can edit basically your personal information such as your first name, last name and mobile phone. So you can just change your first name, your last name. You can even change your email address if you feel like it's necessary, and you can enter here your phone number basically. Once everything is done, you can just look in the bottom of your right corner and press on save there, and every information that you have entered or changed will be saved afterwards. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.